औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। एजुकेशनल न्यूज़ एट एक्सीलेंस ऑनलाइन। मैं आपका होस्ट मोहम्मद साकिब कुरैशी एक्सीलेंस ऑनलाइन के प्लेटफॉर्म से। एजुकेशनल न्यूज़ एट एक्सीलेंस ऑनलाइन में हम मुख्तलिफ़ यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के एडमिशन्स और स्टूडेंट्स के लिए इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ को डिस्कस किया करेंगे। आइए न्यूज़ बुलेटिन में आगे बढ़ते हैं। एंजल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ हेल्थ साइंसेज कराची is offering Doctor of Physiotherapy program. It's a 5-year program. Important dates to remember are: admissions are open from 22nd of October. Closing date to submit application form is 26th of November, and entry test will be conducted on 2nd of December 2018. Area Study Center for Europe, University of Karachi is offering MA, MPhil, PhD programs in European Studies and English, German and French language classes. Important dates are: last date to submit forms 23rd of November 2018. Aptitude test for MPhil will be conducted on 30th of November 2018. Interviews will be taken on 7th of December for the successful candidates, and list of the final candidates will be uploaded on 12th of December 2018. BAHRIA University is offering admissions in spring 2019. They are offering undergraduate programs and postgraduate program. Scholarships are also available for meritorious students. Dawood University of Engineering and Technology is offering BS evening programs in computer science and mathematics. Federal Urdu University has announced admission in different programs for Karachi campus morning only. These programs include bachelor's and master's programs. Forms will be available from 22nd of October till 9th of November 2018. A good news for medical students. Dr. Panjwani Center for Molecular Medicine and Drug Research, International Center for Chemical and Biological Sciences, University of Karachi is announcing internship program for medical students. All those students who are in final year MBBS and fresh medical graduates are eligible to apply. INDUS University has announced admissions for fall 2018 in Bachelor's of Science, Doctor of Physiotherapy, BE Electrical Engineering, BBA, MBA, BS in Media Sciences. KASBIT University is offering BCom, BBA, BS, MBA morning and weekend. Scholarships available for meritorious students. National Textile University Karachi campus is announcing admissions in BS Textile Engineering and BS Polymer Engineering, BS Textile Management and Marketing, Bachelor's of Fashion Design. Application deadline is 30th of October and entry test is on 31st of October 2018. A good news for graduate students. NED University is announcing postgraduate certificate course for all the graduates. Admissions deadline in 16th of November. Classes will be starting from 24th of November. Any graduate 14 years or 16 years are eligible to apply. KIET University announcing admissions in spring 2019 in Engineering, Computer Science and Software, Media and Arts, Enterprises, Resources and Management Sciences. Sheikh ZAYED Islamic Center, University of Karachi is announcing a postgraduate diploma leading to Masters in Islamic Banking and Finance, weekend evening programs, BS in Islamic Studies with Computer Technology evening program. Form submission deadline is 10th of November 2018. Textile Institute of Pakistan is announcing spring admissions 2019. HEC recognized awarding degree institute. BS in Textile, Industrial Manufacturing and Management, and BBA. Admission tests will be taken on 2nd of December 2018. इसी के साथ बुलेटिन का अख्ताम हुआ। इंशाअल्लाह अगले हफ्ते पीर के दिन आप सबसे मुलाकात होगी। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाह।